We have updates to go and talk, especially XION Airdrop, which I know a lot of you are not able to go and claim, and many different airdrops to also claim. So with that said, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn the notification bell on, and we jump straight onto the laptop. As you see here, I am trying to go and collect my XION Airdrop, and this is the page that I am led to. So as you see, there has been a little bit of an update with XION. You are able to go and join with your Google account. If you go over here, you have either the testnet, and let me go and showcase you. Once you go and log in with the Google account, on this first platform that we're going to try, we allow and continue, and we get this error, which is something that you are also getting. The broadcasting transaction failed with code 5. This is what is happening. If we also go over here to the settings.mainnet, which I will leave a link down below, and we try to do the same one, as we see here, we can go and showcase you. This is the mainnet account powered by XION. Simply go and do the login with Google. Select your Google email, as we see over here. Click allow and continue, and you will be redirected saying that you have been approved to step in, as we're going to see in just a second. Yet the page, at least for me, it is going to freeze in a authenticating position, which I will show you as soon as we get your sign-in wallet. And then I get stopped over here. So this is like been for a fair amount of 10-20 minutes now. Before recording this video as well, I was trying to do all of it beforehand. But as it stands right now, this is what it is. Let me know if you have the same problem, if you're facing the same issue, how do you make it resolve? And yes, I've seen on Twitter all of those people that say, oh, but if you go over here, but then if you connect your wallet, it doesn't work. You still need to connect to the first wallet through your Gmail if you use Gmail. So don't listen to those people. They're just click farming. They just want some little bit of views on their Twitter page. So do not follow that. It is absolutely terrible what they're doing. But here we have, this is the authentication page. We're just waiting for it at this point. It is a waiting game. I think they are aware, as you go see here, if you go to their Twitter, they are aware that, oops, this is the traffic, there's due to traffic. They are aware of the problem. So they are fixing it. They are aware. Are they slow? Absolutely, yes. They raised millions of dollars, and yet they cannot even make a smooth transaction like Hyperliquid, for example. Before, Hyperliquid had a beautiful situation. It had no venture capital, had no funding like XION. There were no money thrown behind. This is a proper team that did a proper airdrop. So I stand right now for XION. We just gotta wait. I'll take you updates tomorrow in tomorrow's video, of course, if there's new updates. Otherwise, follow me on Twitter, Crypto with Lolo. You know the page, and it is down below as well. But we can go and try, and I will leave this link down below. Talking about the Hyperliquid airdrop, the season 2 is going to come. And as we see here, I got open my position. I'm already farming the points over here. So how do you do to go and participate? Well, I will leave you the link down below to go and join my community. There's 35 members of us. So thank you very much for everybody who supports. And it is all about trading. You have the possibility to trade long, to trade short. Careful, I'm no financial advisor. Just make sure you know what you're doing with trading. You can open a spot. Holding their token will also be counting for points. You got the vaults over here, which you can deposit if you got, as you see here, with a very nice APR. You can deposit stable coins if you are it. This is gonna go towards the point system. We get the point system updated on a Friday, so today, tonight, once after the series go live, we can talk about it tomorrow. The point system, the allocation that are reserved. As you see here, my portfolio, I'm in a loss as always. I got a volume of $101,000. A lot of people within the leaderboard of mine and the referral leaderboard have gone past $100,000. People paid very minimal in fees, like $3.91 in fees. So very, very simple. Make sure to join. The link will be down below, and it is doing absolutely amazing. Hyperliquid is going to be a great season 2 airdrop. The first one had 31%. This one will have 38% allocated to the community. So join now before it's too late. Do not cry if you're missed. I missed the first airdrop, which was the best executed and biggest airdrop in history of crypto. I don't want to miss the second one, and I don't think you should either. But talking about Hyperliquid, the other one that I'm really farming as well is the GRVT airdrop. Now, GRVT airdrop over here, it is launching the mainnet, as we see here. So mainnet is coming very, very soon. You still have time to participate, and it is still on a testnet. They are practicing the mainnet. They are focusing. They are about to launch the mainnet. It is going to be really, really good. So make sure to go and join. The link is down below. As of right now, you simply need to sign up. It is a free sign up, so you all gotta do that. Make sure to go and do the quest, and make sure to do the KYC, because if you do not do the KYC, which I think it is a great thing for an exchange to have KYC, make sure that you do it. If you do not do KYC, you're not going to receive the airdrop. This is just for you to know. The team had made it very clear, no KYC, no airdrop. So the KYC will be very much in favor of the people that actually do KYC. They will receive a lot of a bigger airdrop, because a lot of people will be like, oh no, I don't want to do KYC. I don't think it's good. I don't want to do KYC. Yeah. So those people are going to miss out. And those people's airdrop are going to go back to the community. So they're going to go back to you. Simple as that. Go and do your KYC. Stop moaning about it. It's good that KYC is there. They got KYC for their people. We get KYC. It is absolutely fine. The mainnet is launching, so the link will be down below for you to go and join. You got all the tasks to do. Very, very important. You're still in time, and it is still free to go and join. Another airdrop that is available to go and claim right now is the SynFutures Foundation airdrop. As we see over here, the SynFutures Season 1 airdrop is live. Now, I am not eligible for this one. The situation becomes always the same. You got 90 days to go and claim. I will leave you the link down below. They have a Season 1 airdrop. They're going to be having a Season 2 airdrops for the peer program. And there's going to be more airdrops. So if you do like it, or if you missed it and you simply want to go and participate in it, I will leave the link down below. There's no referral, no nothing, just a straight link to the Foundation airdrop page to go and claim it. If you haven't claimed it, let me know it down below your allocation for this airdrop as well. Following out, we got the airdrop alert over here to go and claim the Enjoy at Enjoy.tech airdrop 5. Airdrop 2 Season 5 is now live to claim from December 5 to December 20, and the website is Enjoy.tech right here. Some people might be having trouble to go and enter it, as we see over here. Some people don't. But if you do it, make sure, as you see here, some people might have problems, change your Wi-Fi, go on a hotspot. You could be having the same issue, but the website, I will leave you a link down below, is Enjoy.tech, which is this one right here. Next up, we have the Fuel airdrop is coming soon, as we are able to go and see. This could mean that the Fuel airdrop is coming earlier than expected, potentially within 2024. We still got a month. And I do believe that it's going to arrive very, very soon. The Fuel Points program runs until January 2025, but this hint suggestion at the TG could happen very, very soon. So the token generation event for this one could be happening very, very soon. So be ready for it. Going back to XION, as we see over here, I am still getting authenticated. So this airdrop, it was super hyped up. Everybody was loving it. And now that they're just letting the community down, to be honest. Everybody is, yeah, they literally let millions of backings in the background, millions of backing, and the community just, it dumped from $15 to $5. Many people couldn't claim, yet the token dumped, so that's also nice. There's speculation that the team is selling. There's speculation that the team is dumping on you. Nobody's able to claim because everybody uses Gmail. Therefore, the yeah, it's very bad. The price is going down, and no shame about it. I mean, I don't even think they got big shame about it. But we can go and check it out right now over on CoinMarketCap, as we see over here. And we got the XION wallet. Let's go and sign up over here. Let's see, XION wallet, XION USDC. Yeah, $5.16. So it is not the best looking one, but oh, $4.80, my bad. Yeah, it just keeps on dumping. So people are not able to claim. I did say yesterday that I'm gonna hold until the double digit, potentially $10. It's looking really, really up. They really, really messed it up. They actually really messed up the whole airdrop. They messed up the whole situation. How they executed, the price was doing good. The price was nice yesterday, as we see here. It went up to $8, and then it was a bit of stable between the $6, $7, and now it's just collapsing. So I think the team really messed it up. But hey, it was a free airdrop at the end of the day, so there's not much that we can complain about. Even if it is $20, it was free $20, but it is what it is. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.